Here are my top 10 AI apps on my phone. I'm sure these are all available on iOS, which is for Apple, and also for Android. So let me go through one at a time and explain why these are must-have apps for every single phone. Now, if you don't already create folders on your phone, on your Android app, the way to create a folder is quite simple. All you need to do is press and hold on one of the apps that you want to put into a folder, and you simply drag it into a folder. That's just a quick tip to make sure that you put all your AI apps in one place so that you can easily organize them all on your home screen. Now let me start with the first one here. Now all of these are free, and the only ones that are paid are the last three. So for the first six, and I'm leaving the best for last, and it's funny, the things that cost money are usually always the best. The truth is, some of these are paid, like ChatGPT and Gemini, but they're only paid if you're using it a lot. If you're not using it a lot, you can actually use ChatGPT completely for free. You can chat to it every day about one or two conversations till you hit your limits. And actually you can create images of the highest quality in the world for free. You can create about 3 images every single day on ChatGPT without paying a cent. So absolutely incredible. Now the quality of these images is so good, it's literally the best in the world. There is not a better imaging model in the world than ChatGPT Image 2.0. To create an image or chat to it, everyone already knows you can talk to it and ask it, or if you press the plus button and ask for a photo, it will create a photo for you. Second in line is also a free app called Gemini. It's exactly the same idea as ChatGPT. You can create images or talk to it. You can literally have conversations with these two just by clicking the bottom right button just over here. You can see you can chat to it regularly. I'm sure all of you already know this. Now, Notebook. So it used to be called Notebook LM, but now it's called Notebook. What it is, it's basically an app that creates notes, like it creates a brain from your data. For example, you could drop a PDF, drop an audio, MP3 or WAV probably, images, your website, a YouTube, and copy text, and from all of that it will literally create for you a notebook, which basically means you can ask it questions and it will know to answer based on your data. But more importantly, it can create infographics, slideshows, flashcards, and even videos and YouTube shorts from all of your content. It can even create explainer videos based on your content in the style you want. You can literally choose like South Park style or like handwritten style, and it can even create some videos, and it's getting better over time, so you're definitely worth a look. Another one is DeepSeek. Now I only use this to get a second opinion. Sometimes these AI models are very similar, so I tried DeepSeek to ask for another opinion. It doesn't create images, but it's completely free. It's worth a try. Now this is a powerful one. We're going into video creation at this point, and FX is basically really called Google Flow. I'm not sure why they called it FX, but whatever. Basically you can create videos from this using the latest Omni model. Now I'm not sure how much you get for free. I actually am a paying customer, so I can create images and videos for free because I pay. I can create about maybe 50 videos a month because I'm a paying subscriber. You can create videos which are vertical or horizontal, and you can prompt them. You can make them 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, and you can even create images over here as well inside of Google Flow. Now this is local AI. This actually runs on your phone, works on iOS and Android. You can literally talk to AI even on the if you're on a flight. You can talk to AI. It's completely local and open source. No one will ever be able to trace a conversation you have with it. But the problem with these conversations is that they're very small models. They're only about 4 billion parameters, 12 billion parameters, which is very small, even though it sounds like a lot. But they're not so smart, these models. They're a little bit smaller. Recently they've become a bit more powerful, but to really get deep thinking and deep understanding, you should use these models, which are Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. Now last but not least, let's talk about 11 Labs. This actually creates MP3 files from text. So if you click on it, you can literally do text to speech. You can type, let's say, you can create a voice from a prompt. Now you can say, I want a really old man's voice, and then it will literally generate a voice for you. So if you need like a specific type of voice, like an American, a Western, or an Indian, whatever you want, you can create your own custom voice, and then you can say, hey, say this for me please, and then generate, and then it will create an MP3.
Say, hey, say this for me, please.
You see, he literally says it in an old man's voice, because that's the prompt. I asked for an old man, an old American man's voice, and he's created it for me here. Now I can take that MP3 into HeyGen. HeyGen is a video maker, but it's very good with avatars, meaning you create a person like a persona. You can take a video, a picture from one of the first apps we looked at. You can look at create a photo of somebody, then create their voice over here, take it into HeyGen, paste in a photo to video, and then you choose a picture that you can upload, and then you can upload you can actually upload audio, and then you can have the person speak. And now the amazing thing about this is that it looks very, very, very real. It looks as if the person's actually saying this. So if you want to create like avatar videos, this is how the professionals do it. And that's basically all of the apps I use on my phone. If you want this kind of high value content, follow me for more.